Welcome back to J&M Odysseys. Today we're giving you an exclusive tour of Stateroom 6090 aboard the Disney Fantasy, a Deluxe Family Oceanview Stateroom with veranda that's specially designed for accessibility. This spacious, well-equipped stateroom sleeps up to 5 guests and includes features like a roll-in shower, an automatic door, and veranda ramp, making it a fantastic option for those needing extra accessibility and convenience at sea. Let's step inside and take a look. One of the best features of this stateroom is the automatic door opener. Simply tap your key to the world card and the door opens hands-free, making entry smooth and effortless. Once inside, you'll need to insert your key to the world card into the power activation slot to turn on the lights and electricity in the room, a great energy-saving feature. Stepping into the main living area, you'll immediately notice how spacious and open the room feels. This stateroom is designed to be easily navigated, offering ample room to move around. At the center, we have the queen-size bed with soft plush bedding and classic Disney Cruise Line decor. To the left, there's a nightstand with a room phone, and there's an important feature, an emergency call button for added safety. Moving over to the living area, we have a comfortable couch that converts into a bed at night, a coffee table, and an extra chair for additional seating. Just to the side, you'll catch a quick glimpse of the Murphy bed, which can be set up in the evening if needed, bringing the total sleeping capacity to 5 guests. Across from the couch, we have the desk area, which includes a flat-screen TV, a mini fridge for keeping drinks and snacks cool, plenty of storage in drawers and cabinets, and several power outlets and USB plugs, great for charging all of your devices. Now let's take a look at the closets. As we open it up, you will see that there are life vests for cabin guests, hanging space, as well as cubbies for clothing and other items. The next closet has a unique feature. Apart from having cubbies as well as the room safe, you will also see that there is a fold-down hanging rack to make things even easier for those who need it. Now let's step outside onto the private veranda, a perfect spot to enjoy the ocean breeze or sip your morning coffee while taking in the view. One of the standout features of this stateroom is the fully accessible bathroom, which is designed for maximum convenience and comfort. Inside you'll find a sink with easy access counter space, a toilet with sturdy handrails for support, a spacious roll-in shower with fold-down seat, a detachable handheld shower head for added flexibility. This all-in-one bathroom setup ensures ease of use for all guests, making it one of the most thoughtfully designed spaces on the ship. Another great feature of this stateroom is that it connects to Stateroom 6092, making it an ideal choice for larger families or groups traveling together. If you haven't seen our stateroom tour of 6092, be sure to check it out here. That wraps up our tour of Stateroom 6090, an accessible, spacious, and well-designed cabin aboard the Disney Fantasy. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more Disney cruise adventures.